Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, explain Gemini mobile app review to see if it's worth using. The Gemini mobile app is a cryptocurrency exchange platform that allows users to buy, sell, and manage digital assets directly from their smartphones. It offers features such as real-time market data, portfolio tracking, price alert, and recurring buy, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. The app is available on both iOS and Android device and provide a user-friendly interface for managing crypto investment. Gemini is a reputable platform for cryptocurrency trading, offering a range of tools and features to assist users in managing their digital asset. However, users should be aware of potential fee and assure they are comfortable with the platform offering before engaging in trading activities. As with any investment platform, it's important to conduct a thorough research and consider personal finances, goals, and risk tolerance. And that's it.